Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn about types of cell referencing, which are three, and we are going to learn about the text formula, and we are going to learn about using a compound formula. So we have a lot to do on our list in this video. So let's begin without any further delay. So first of all, what we are going to learn about is types of cell referencing. Cell referencing means how a cell address behaves in the formulas when it is copied from one cell to the other. The use of formula becomes more flexible and easy with referencing. There are three types of cell referencing in Microsoft Excel: relative referencing, absolute referencing, and mixed referencing. As you might know, every cell, separate, special, and unique, whatever you call it, name known as an address that is made up of a column heading and a row number. It is called relative when both parts are fixed. Okay, not fixed. It is called absolute when both parts are fixed, and it is called mixed when only one of the parts is fixed. Okay, we learned in the previous video also that the cell address is this and this. So the cell I have selected over here is D6. What is it? D6. And what is D6? It is the cell address that is located over here. Cell name box. So let's learn about relative referencing in detail. What we call the cell address, it is relative referencing. This is shown relative referencing. So if I say D6, it is relative referencing only. So these are all relative referencing. Let us see our formula over here, what we entered. This is relative referencing. We clicked onto the boxes. So that was relative referencing. Now let's see what is the second type, absolute referencing. An absolute referencing is specified using the dollar sign along with the column and row number in the cell. For example, let us see, this is J5 and I5. Here, if we put a dollar sign, and in the side if we put again a dollar sign, and again and again over here, this is our, we are using absolute referencing. This is specified, this is specified that if we drag this cell over to here, all the formulas will be the same. $J, $5 will not change, as well as $I, $5. Let's see. This is 150 now, and let us drag it down to over here. Isn't this 150, 150, 150? Because we have chosen only those two. Just absolutely those two. So this is the difference between absolute and relative referencing. Now let us understand the use of mixed referencing. And what is mixed referencing? Mixed referencing is when one part of the cell address is relative and the other is absolute. So either the column or the row number should have a dollar sign along with it. Let's see how it works. Over here is my quantity 5, and over here is the amount 40. Take 40, then 200, then 300. These are prices for books. These are different prices for ebooks. So I have the same quantity over here. So what should I do? I cannot use the relative referencing, or I will have to do it the changes again and again, that is the amount for all the books. So what I will do, many of you will say use absolute referencing, but absolute referencing, then 40 into 5 will only be multiplied, not 200 into 5 and not 300 into 5. So to solve this problem, we have mixed referencing. Let's see how this works. What was our formula again? It was is equal to, and then it was our cell address, which we use for our function over here, formula. See, like that, and the star sign is over here. Now we will select this, and we will make a small, indeed very small but very changing thing. We will add a dollar sign in only the, that is the row. And now we will click on another cell, and ta-da! Now as you can see, I am dragging it down to see the result. See, if you multiply 200 by 5, what will happen? 1000. 300 by 5, 1500. So this is how to use mixed referencing to your advantage. Now let's see what is the next topic. The next topic is using a compound formula. Compound formulas are used when more than one operator is required to perform any calculation. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Here we are going to use the sheet 2, our new sheet. Let us enter a few things, a few data, that is. Now I have entered the data. As you can see, here we need to calculate the simple interest. I entered the data. Then I should do, what should I do? I should write the formula. I should click on the cell here, that is H5, and then with the multiply sign, here we are using relative referencing. Then click here on the next cell. Again we are going to use relative referencing only, and again over here. So these three cells are going to be multiplied. I mean the numbers. And now they need to be divided. The result needs to be divided according to the formula of simple interest. And now we press the enter key to see our formula at work. So this is the 270 simple interest, as you can see. Let us revise the steps to do this. First, enter the data as shown. Second, click the cell B7 and type is equal to sign. Third, click on the other cell. Its address will appear in the cell that is over here, H9. And now we have to type the symbol of the multiplication and click the other cell and type the symbol of multiplication and the other cell. And now we have to type the symbol slash followed by 100 in the cell H10 and press the enter key, and then the H10 cell will display the simple interest that is calculated. Now our next and last topic, that is text formula. Let us learn how to create a text formula. For this we may use a sheet 3. To create a simple text value, we enclose it in the double quotes. So if I want to create my name as a formula, as a text formula, then I will use the double quotes, that is these. Then I will write my name, and here you go. The result of this formula is this. Now, if I want to join the initials of a YouTube channel, Cyber with Aditi, then I will use the double quotes again, type CWA, close the double quotes, and also you can see that I have used the ampersand, which is used to join text values to one another. So this is the example. Let us see what happens. So this is what happens. The result of this formula is this, as you can see. So everyone, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. In the next video, we are going to learn about another topic which is called cell referencing to another worksheet in detail. And also we are going to learn about another fact. Today's fact is the process of joining text values in a sequence within a formula is called concatenation. So now we are done with the video. But before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't be missing out on my latest videos. Also, as you can see, in the right bottom corner, there is a button which you can use to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.